Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and this is the Things We're Making Thursday video. Right off making my work in progress video because I'm still wearing the hat, which was the finished Bag O Day hat pattern for Bad Hot Palooza. That is actually, make sure you check out my name is Crochet and Farming, because Laura has been spotting. This is her second year doing it. So far, I've not missed a week in 2024, but anyway, we are moving on to the one project, and the only one project I got for that falls under Things We're Making Thursday. Oh, don't tip you over, don't tip you over. There you are. I got the basket done and already put to good use because I threw all the yarns in it. Hey, you can use this, I guess, could be useful around the house to store things, and that's what it's doing. So I think this is the first basket I've done where I didn't bother putting handles on it because I got me thinking I rarely use the handles to begin with, so why put them on? But what we did, I don't know if you can see that. This probably would have looked nice if I did a contrasting color, but I don't know if you can see. I did like a long single crochet done a row before, and obviously I finished you off with the crab stitch. Yeah, short video because this is all I got that falls under the theme. So yeah, I like it, and I'm already putting it to good use. Oh, you can semi-see the okay, I'll tip it over. The cart I got next to me, which came from Temu. Yeah, enough said. It's a plastic cart, but you wouldn't want it does supposedly move. It's on wheels, but I don't want to move it on wheels. It'll probably fall apart. But it does serve nicely its purpose, that it's storing things like this basket, which I'm going to put back. Oh, after hopefully I get my thumbnail. Okay. All right. And I do believe this is the last Thursday. It is the last Thursday of the month, so next Thursday is a new month, and I do believe, correct me if I'm wrong, it's wearables. So if you see my work in progress video, I'll probably go back into what I started way back in April, which I thought was Granny Square, like a bunch of us, and then they switched it to Tunisian. I think we're going to pick this up and try to get this done. So, anyway, again, short video. I'm getting hot in this hat. So, if you did like this video, please get a like. See more content like this, short and sweet. Please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.